Yo everyone, it's your boy Cledo Vids, and I'm back here with another video. And today I'm unboxing this electric scooter. And without further ado, let's get into it. I don't know what this is for, but let's leave that to the side for now. So we've got our charging brick. Just leave that to the side. We've got a UK adapter plug. Let's take out the beast himself. So we've just banked the scooter out, and in this little packet here, we've got our user manual for the iEZway EZ8. That's the name of the scooter. We've got this to help inflate the tyres, and we've got this rear reflector, and a couple Allen keys and screws. For now, let's leave that to the side. Let's get this packet off. It's a bit like the EZ8 Pros. Let's just slide that in there. I'll slide the handlebar. Just get our first screw. Let's get our first screw. Start from this side. Just screw it clockwise. This uses a screwdriver, by the way. And then from the other side, but from the top here rather than the bottom, so we don't get any stuck screws at the end. Switch sides again, go for the top one here. And now this last side, this last hole at the bottom. And we've gotten all our screws. Let's take off the wrappers. So this display, it's got a nice sound to it. This looks a lot like the Xiaomi Pros. We've got this reflector, this front reflector, nice touch. And I believe this is our brake. To change between the modes, we double tap it. Now it's on eco, normal, and sports. To turn the light on, we tap it once. On, off, on, off. We have some mudguard support, so this shouldn't be breaking on you anytime soon, especially because of this rear fender bracket. We've got some tail lights here. If I put the brakes on, you can see these three lights all coming on at the same time. It's actually quite bright. We got air-filled tyres on the front and the back. And our motor is actually on the rear. It's on our rear wheel at the back. Whereas most of my other scooters have been on the front. But stay tuned if you want to see a review for this electric scooter for iEZway EZ8. the latest and greatest. And yeah, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, peace.